Viewers' discretion is advised. On May 18, 2025, Baltimore County police officers were involved in a fatal shooting of Glenn Pettie Jr., 43, in the 8200 block of North Boundary Road in Dundalk. Officers responded to a 911 call at approximately 7:30 p.m. regarding a man experiencing a mental health crisis, and the outcome was not what the cops expected.
This is Officer Brady, Baltimore County Police. It's Officer Brady. Can I talk to you? It's Officer Brady. Can I talk to you? Can you come talk to me? I can't hear you real well. Can you come talk to me? If we can't even get him out here, then there's no point in even asking. We can see if they're available to monitor. Hang on here. I'm going to go around, actually, real quick. Let me try to call the complainant. See if the son picks up or whoever called. Hey, this is Officer Brady. Look.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, so we're, and just so you know, my camera's on, but we're at, and we can hear him talking. No, we're out front. Do you want us to come around back?
Yeah, go around back. They were supposed to tell you to go around back.
Okay, didn't see that. I'll come around the back.
All right, thank you.
All right, no problem. Bye.
All right, bye.
Just, she said for us to come around back. I don't know if you want to wait here, and I'm going to go talk to her. Just hang tight. Hey, sir. Hi. What's he doing? What's he doing? What's going on? Give me 10-3. Give me 10-3. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Shots fired. Shots fired. Drop the gun. Drop. Come here. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out with your hands up. Show me. I'm in the rear. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! car, man.
Oh my God, please! No! What are you doing? You don't have nothing! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
46, I'm good. 46, I'm good. We got more shots fired. He's got a gun in his hand. He's in the house. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Come out with your hands up! Hands up! Come out to me! Come out to me! Come out to me! Come out to me! Come out! Damn it. You gotta get down on the ground, sir. You gotta get down on the ground. It's on the ground. We're getting him detained. Scene is safe. 3 minutes in now, around the back alley.
Alright, I'm gonna go get medic stuff.
Fuck. Sir, where are you hit? Oh, shit. 46, he's got a gunshot wound to his lower jaw. 3 sirens off. God damn it. Hold on, sir. We're gonna get you help. No, we're all good. No, it's not. I don't know. I don't know. Stop, stop, stop. Yes, officer involved. Stop, sir. We're gonna get you help. We're gonna get you help. I don't know if he's hit on any extremities. The only bullet wound I see is on his face.
Where?
Wait.
Is there anyone inside?
Yeah, did you stop the complaint?
Hey! Over here.
Is there anyone inside? No? Stop moving!
Where's he at?
It's a GSW to face. Have my extended team.
Next unit, I need you to help me through his house.
Here, you hold him.
Hey, he was talking to me through the front. Clear the house with him.
He's got a gunshot wound to his jaw. I don't know if he's hit anywhere else.
You gotta cuff everything.
Yeah,
He's cuffed.
I got it. Let me know now. I secured the gun.
Okay, I got you.
Just in the jaw.
46.
1246. 10-3 on the channel. Would you
I'm right here. I'm right here. We're in the real boundary.
Alright, at North Boundary, where all units are down in North Boundary. 82 for North Boundary. Shots were fired.
You're down?
Get out of the car, man.
What do you check on you?
What do you want me to still take him?
Again, all units, signal 13, 82 for North Boundary.
We have more shots fired. He's got a gun in his hand. He's in the
Alright, it's in the house, has a gun in his hand. More shots fired.
What's the cross there? Coming in now. Hands up! Come out to me! Come
It's going to be Melbourne and Inverness. Melbourne and Inverness.
Come on now!
Come on, quick radiation.
You gotta get down on the ground. You gotta get down on the ground.
sleep on that.
44 on the ground. Coming to the rear. We're getting detained. Bring that shit down. Run the back down.
19, take that to the back alley.
Alright, let me go get the medicine. Let me go get the medicine.
Exit.
I got it. The gun's in your car. Gas is clear. Are you injured? Are you injured? No.
Yes, officer involved. Officer, we're gonna get you help. We're gonna get you help. I don't know if he's feeling any extremities. The only bullet wound I see is right there.
Where?
Is there anyone inside?
I'm sure you have to just go to the complainant.
Hey! Is there anyone inside?
Hey, is it just him?
Not moving!
Where does he at?
It's a GSW face. I know he's planning to. Next thing you know, you get me to the house. Here, you hold him.
Hey, he was talking to me through the front. Clear the house with him.
He's got a gunshot wound to his jaw. I don't know if he's hit anywhere else.
Yeah, he's close. I got it.
Pettie was wounded and later pronounced dead at a local hospital. No officers were injured during the incident. The investigation of the shooting concluded that the officer's actions did not violate Maryland law and that there was no evidence of premeditation, ruling the shooting as a justified use of force in self-defense. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.